This mating pair of pileated woodpecker found their way to a new maple tree. Though they find the bark troubling and not the soft, pulped dead wood that they're used to pulling bugs from, they circle about, calling out to one another to try a go at a new spot and pull wood from the tree. They cover half of North America, they're about the size of a crow, up to 19 inches in length, 11 ounces in weight, and they are a remarkable display. That is, of course, when you get a chance to see them. Unfortunately, for this pretty pair, they won't be receiving a snack today.